Moving on is the theme for the 8th annual production of the Vaz Prep Dance Troupe. Carleen Bisnott is the principal of Vaz Prep with the inside scoop for this year's staging. Good morning.
Good morning,
Madam
Sabrina.
Principal. So 8 years of this wonderful dance troupe.
Oh, yes.
And you guys are still going strong.
Going very strong.
And this year is going to be at the same place?
Same place, Little Theatre. This weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Cost $1,500, babies and toddlers in free. And
As long as they sit in mommy lap.
As long as they sit in the laps.
Right.
And we're looking for support from our past students and past parents.
Most definitely.
That's
How
right.
has it been for the last 8 years?
It has been good. We've had pretty full houses each year. And this year is proving to be even greater.
And you guys managed to maintain the standard of the dance
Yes,
troupe,
we
even though
do.
the kids come in and go right out. So that says a lot about your choreographer,
That's right,
yes?
that's
All
right.
right, lots of big ups to the choreographer, but we're not going to chat out. We're actually going to let the ladies take it for you.
That's right.
Move to the beat, move to the beat, move to the beat. Let's ride up, throw it out and bang, bang, bang. Move to the beat, move to the beat, move to the beat. Let's ride up.